I went back into learning to try and take up the opportunities I'd missed when I was younger. I've always wanted to learn music properly. It's always been a passion of mine, and to have the chance to do it with other adult learners in a supporting environment meant a lot to me.
When I first met Dean, he was very quiet. He was obviously underconfident. He'd been unemployed for about 4 years, and his self-esteem had lowered.
Before I enrolled on the course, I was unemployed for a number of years. I had originally enrolled on a course at university, but I had to drop out because my mum became quite seriously ill, and she shortly after that died.
Dean's always been very, very eager to learn. And music has always been his love. And it's just amazing how his life has been totally transformed just by returning to adult education.
I wanted to do a job that was playing to my strengths, but I couldn't really find any work in the area that was suitable. So when I enrolled on the course, that opened up an opportunity for me to then use my skills that I'd learnt and begin teaching music as well.
It's just amazing now seeing him have his own music class, as well as actually blossoming as a musician himself.
One of my biggest inspirations was the previous winner of the Adult Learner of the Year award, Martin James, because he would never complain that it was too difficult or too hard, and he pushed himself to such great heights and achievements, and he was blind, and it didn't seem to hold him back at all.
I just think that he's an amazing example of somebody wanting to realise a dream, and against the odds in the beginning, he succeeded.
There are so many students that deserve awards and recognition for their hard work and their achievements, and I don't see myself as any different really. It's great to have the award though, it's fantastic.